I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Confirm your AirPods Pro 2 are paired to your Apple ID and iCloud is active. Open settings if you need to verify. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are on. Once done, launch the Find My app and tap Devices. You should see your AirPods listed. Tap them to begin locating. This first step connects the device to Apple's network, which is what allows precise location and the later sound or directions features. Now you'll actively locate the earbuds. Tap the AirPods entry to view the map and last seen location. Use directions to navigate there if it's far. If you're nearby, choose Play Sound. This triggers a tone from the AirPods so you can home in quickly. You can target left or right if only one is missing. If the device is truly lost, enable Lost Mode to show contact info and lock features. These steps increase the chance of recovery and protect your data. Finish by using offline finding when your AirPods aren't connected. The Find My network can report their location via other Apple devices anonymously. Make sure notifications are enabled so you'll be alerted when they come online. If nothing appears, check the last seen timestamp. This tells you how recent the location was. As a troubleshooting tip, if Find My shows no updates, reset the AirPods and update iOS. Also verify Bluetooth and Find My are still.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.